students, today's topic of discussion is the core concepts of marketing. The term marketing has been defined a number of ways by different persons as they thought fit from time to time under changing circumstances. Over the period of time, a variety of concepts have stemmed. Here we are considered with only core concepts and not all. A core concept is one which has a very clear-cut, definite, widely acceptable, relevant, verifiable to understand the very process of marketing that directs the flow of goods and services from producer to customers. So here we are different concepts. First is your need, wants and demand, products, goods, services, ideas, value, cost and satisfaction, exchange and transactions, relationship and networks, markets, marketers and prospectors. So firstly, we will define needs, wants and demand. हम नीड की बात करते हैं. नीड, a need is a desire or wish that is psychological, security, esteem or actualization. After this we have want. A want is something wanting a deficiency. A want in marketing terminology means need plus ability to pay. And third is demand. A demand, when needs arise, wants crop up, there comes demand. And demand is a situation where the person is willing to buy a product and has the ability to pay for it. In marketing starts with human needs and wants. A human needs is a state of deprivation of some basic satisfaction. Wants are desires for specific satisfiers of needs. Demands are wants for specific products that are backed by an ability and willingness to buy them. These distinctions shed light on the frequent criticism that marketers create needs or marketers get people to buy things they don't want. After this, we have products. हम products की बात करते हैं, goods, services and ideas की. So firstly, a product is anything that can be offered to satisfy a need or want. A product can be also called as offering or solution. A product or offering can consist of as many of three components: psychological good, services and idea. Now we have value, cost and your satisfaction. So firstly, हम value की बात करते हैं. Value as seen from the angle of customer is the capacity of the product or services from which consumers derive a certain level of satisfaction. Because your value is judged by the level of satisfaction. Thus, if satisfaction level is low, it means that product is of low value to the customer and vice versa. Now cost. Cost is expenditure on production. कि प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर कितना एक्सपेंडिचर आता है उसको प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, मैन्युफैक्चर के लिए. एंड सेटिस्फेक्शन की बात करते हैं. सेटिस्फेक्शन इज अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड and cannot be measured as it cannot be quantified. In marketing, consumers to choose among the many products that satisfy a given need. Just like an example, a consumer needs to travel for a work. He could use several products for his need, like your bicycle, motorcycle, a car, and taxi cab or a bus. These alternatives will constitute his product choice set. आप कस्टमर्स ने ट्रेवल के लिए इन सब मीडियम का यूज किया: बाइसिकल, मोटरसाइकिल, कार, टैक्सी कैब एंड बस. These are the product choice set. Like assume he would like to satisfy several additional needs in traveling to work, like your needs, safety, ease, and economy. Each product has a different capacity to satisfy his need set. Like a bicycle is slower, less safe, and requires more effort than a car, but a bicycle is more economical. So the customer has to decide to which product will deliver the most total satisfaction. कि उसको किस चीज से ज्यादा satisfaction मिलती है. And cost plays a secondary role. Now the next one is exchange in transaction. हम exchange की बात करते हैं. Exchange is the very base of marketing. In fact, another name of exchange is marketing. आप सभी को पता है exchange means sort of your marketing. Now, transaction is a deal that takes place between the parties of exchange, namely buyer and the seller. Seller is ready with goods to part with and buyer ready with the money to pay for. कि ट्रांजैक्शन बायर्स और सेलर्स आएंगे. बायर प्रोडक्ट को खरीदना चाहता है, सेलर बेचना चाहता है. सेलर प्रोडक्ट लेके खड़ा है, बायर वैसे लेके खड़ा है. So people can obtain products in one of four ways. First is self-production, by caution, by begging, by exchange. Now self-production, hungry people can relieve through hunting, fishing or fruit gathering. That is for self-production. कि अगर person hungry है, then he can relieve through hunting, fishing or fruit gathering. Now by caution, hungry people can wrest or steal food from others. Clear? Now third, by begging, hungry people can approach others and beg for food. Now by exchange, hungry people can offer a resource in return for food such as money, a good or a service. So the exchange must be seen as a process rather than as an event. Two parties are engaged in exchange. There should be two parties in exchange if they are negotiating and moving towards an agreement. If they are negotiating and moving towards an agreement, when an agreement is reached, we say that a transaction takes place. Okay? Now we have relationship and networks. Relationship and network की बात करते हैं. Relationship is the bonding and lasting business kinship based on mutual trust between the marketing organization and the customers, particularly long term. Okay? Because your transaction marketing is a part of larger idea called relationship marketing. जब हम नेटवर्क की बात करेंगे, it consists of the company and all of its supporting stakeholders, customers, suppliers, employees, distributors, retailers, ad agencies, university scientists, and others with whom it had built mutually profitable business relationship. ठीक है. In relationship marketing के बारे में आपको और बता दूं. Relationship marketing is a practice of building long-term trusting, win-win satisfying relations with key parties like customers, suppliers, dealers, distributors in order to retain them long-term preferences and business. Relationship and network को you can see relationship and network by your exchange map. हमने exchange map आपको बताया. exchange map में आप देख सकते हैं construction company want list. ये construction company की want list है. Next, Caterpillar want list. Construction company में बात करते हैं high quality durable equipments, fair price, one time delivery of equipment, good financing terms, good parts and services. And on another hand, Caterpillar की बात करते हैं good price for equipment, one time payment, good word of mouth.